Mastering Email Etiquette, Unraveling the Mystery of BCC. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're going to delve into an important topic related to email communication. The BCC, or blind carbon copy feature. Understanding how to use this feature correctly is not only vital for maintaining professional communication, but it can also save you from potential embarrassments. Let's get started. BCC, standing for blind carbon copy, is a term we use in email communications. When you use the BCC feature, the email recipients included in this field will receive the email, but their email addresses will be hidden from all the other recipients. This means that the people in the To and CC fields will not know who else has received the email, providing a level of privacy. Remember, BCC is all about privacy and discretion. There are several instances when you may want to use the BCC feature. 1. Large group emails. If you're sending an email to a large group and want to keep the recipient's email addresses private, use BCC. 2. Avoid reply all chaos. When you BCC recipients, they can't reply all. This prevents unnecessary email clutter. 3. Sending sensitive information. If you need to inform several individuals separately about a sensitive matter, you can BCC them. Using BCC is quite straightforward. 1. Open your email interface and click on Compose or New Email. 2. You'll see the To field. This is where you usually type the main recipient's email address. 3. Depending on your email interface, there will be a CC and a BCC field as well. If you can't see them, look for a button or option that says CC, BCC, Show Fields, or something similar. 4. Once you find the BCC field, you can type the email addresses of the recipients you wish to BCC. Important: always double-check to ensure you've placed the email addresses in the correct fields. While BCC is a handy tool, it's important to use it ethically and appropriately. Do use BCC when you want to protect privacy and avoid unnecessary email clutter. Don't use BCC to gossip or talk behind someone's back. It's unethical and could harm your professional relationships. Do double-check your email fields before hitting send. Don't forget to use a generic greeting if you're BCCing a group, as personalized greetings can confuse recipients about who else has received the email. And that wraps up our lesson on BCC, or blind carbon copy. We hope this video helps you better understand this feature and use it wisely in your email communications. Remember, communication, especially in the digital world, is a crucial part of English language proficiency. We'll see you next time with more tips to help you navigate the world of English. Happy learning!